Okay, hello everyone, this is Minnie.
Hi, this is Janice.
Yes, and today is Thursday. What kind of thing do you usually do on Thursday?
Oh, I just busy on working.
Yes, start women. Hmm?
and I will use my spare time to watch some movies after work.
Wow, interesting. And also remember to watch our live streaming on Thursday.
Yeah.
Okay, first of all, I would like to ask you guys a question. In your daily life, do you have trouble remembering names, especially when you initially enter a company? If you have such trouble, you can just check with us. You can comment. And for example, Janice, do you still remember the first day you entered Welfare?
Wow, I totally remember. It is one of my most embarrassed days of my life
Yeah.
because I met so many new colleagues and I just can't remember their names because their names are so long and they're complicated for me, I think. And it's like when I'm resting in the restroom and I had met someone, but I can't tell who is he. So I think it's embarrassed.
That is so interesting.
Yeah.
Yes. By the way, I'd like to show you one video which may bring you back to that interesting situation. Let's have a look.
Do you have trouble remembering names?
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi, Sunny. This is the first day working here. Now let me introduce the colleagues to you.
Thank you.
Okay, this is Pascal. This is Chris. And this is Hin. And this is Tao. And this is Joey. This is Rachel. And this is Alisa. And this is Daniel.
Okay, got it.
A few moments later.
Hey, hi, Sunny.
Who is she? Oh no, I don't remember. Hi.
One of my shadows, the
Yeah.
same as the first day I entered here.
Yes, I believe that is also the shadow of most people, and hope that everybody can pass through this situation smoothly.
If you guys remember any interesting things happen in the first day of your work, please chat with us and we'll warmly welcome your comments at any time.
Yes. Okay, guys, here I have a good news.
What kind of good news, Minnie?
So today we will hold a lucky draw for you. You will just need to watch our broadcast and comment us, and we will send a gift to you if you are the lucky person.
Wow, it's quite easy.
So do you know what kind of gifts do we have?
Maybe these bottles.
Yes, bottles, and also we have different colors t-shirts.
Yes.
Yes, these are also all the gifts. You can just comment us and we will send a gift to you. So this bag.
And this cap.
Yes. Yeah, so cool. Yes. So do you want to get this material? Okay, you just comment us.
So except for Lucky Draw, if you follow us to be our fans, you can also contact our customer service and we will also send the gift to you together with the product you order. So guys, please remember to follow us to get more information about welfare. Push the catalog button to contact our customer service and chat with us at any time.
Yes. Okay, today we are going to talk about the piston rings assembly. In the last section, we have shared some knowledge about cylinder liners function, structure, as well as our product unit advantage. Do you still remember?
Yes, last time it was quite impressive. I remember that you used the whiteboard to show 3 cylinder liners and tell us how to distinguish wet and dry liners.
Yes, you're right.
So if you guys missed the live streaming last time, you can turn to the playback or reflect the contents of cylinder liners.
Yes. Okay.
So first of all, I'd like to share more information about our company. Minnie, can you introduce Welfare to us?
Of course, Welfare Welfare Engine Parts Company is a group company having factory and offices. About our product, we have developed a wide range of engine components. Piston ring, like this,
Yes.
and also piston,
piston.
different kinds of piston, liner, and bearing gasket kit for various combustion engines for the commercial vehicle of highway, passenger car, motorcycle, etc.
Wow, it's a lot.
Yes, and our great manufacturing capacity consists of 4 production locations in China, equipped with imported machines and product line from Japan and Germany. The factory main business are OE for big car manufacturers, and the Will for Guangzhou are doing business for aftermarket.
Well, we are quite international.
Yes.
And we are now supplying vast of OE clients worldwide. So it is convincing that we have a good experience working with clients and understanding the process of development and documentation. Guys, I believe now you have a clear understanding of Welfare Engine Parts Company. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment us. We will reply you once we read your message.
Yes. Okay, let's get to our main topic today: piston rings function and assembly. First, let's watch a small video of how to assemble piston ring. Here we go. So this is our experienced tech workers, and he just assembled the piston ring, and we need to check the order of it. So the first one is the oil ring, and then the second compression ring, and then the first compression ring. So do you notice that he had used a tool?
Yes, it looks like crabs or something.
Yes. If we don't use this tool, it may destroy our piston and piston ring. So we need to be careful. Yes. So these workers have good experience working in this, and we need to check the mark on it. Pay attention to check the mark outwards on the piston.
Wow, we finished.
Okay, before assembly, can you tell us some basic knowledge about piston ring?
No problem. We know that the working condition of piston ring in engine is very harsh and contradictory.
Yeah.
It bears the highest pressure and highest heat generated by the combustion of gas in the chamber. That is to say, it needs to bear the resulting high mechanical and thermal produces 70 to 80% of the heat from the piston.
Do we finish the whole process of assembly?
Not yet. Last but not least, we could not forget to check the ring. So let's look at the PowerPoint.
Yes.
The last step is inspection, or we can call it check. Some checkpoints are as below. The first is we should check oil control ring opening. If oil control rings are moving freely in the piston groove, and then we should check the compression ring top marks. Then we should check if the compression ring are moving freely in piston grooves. Then we should check if we correctly install the first, second, and third compression rings. 3 compression rings only found in some diesel engines. Considering compression ring shapes seems similar in some engines.
Yes. What's more, we should also make sure first and second openings in 180 degrees. Avoid putting the gap pin in the same direction with piston pin hole. Torque can be integrated as intake side of piston. Remember to use special tool to put the lubricated piston and rings into the liner. If all the piston, rings, and crawler installed properly.
Exactly, and we have concluded some skills for piston installation. And first is we should be sure to use soft sticks to clean the carbon residue inside the ring grooves carefully, and also carbon residue in other areas if any. And if we use some sharp tools, it might hurt the grooves. And we should check the ring gaps after putting rings into ring grooves. Then the last one, we should check rings top marks during rings installation and before assembling the piston grooves into cylinder liners.
Yes, the fourth one is to remember to use dedicated tool to install rings to avoid breaking. The fifth, we need to check directions of rings before putting the ring grooves into cylinders. And the last one, don't forget to lubricate piston and check cleanliness when put piston grooves into cylinder liners. Okay, this picture below can be used as a reference about rings direction check during piston groove installation. Okay, is it clear? That's all about the assembly of piston rings. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. And just comment, we will reply you once we read your message.
Yes. And I would like to notice that as long as you comment us, you can enter our lucky draw, which means the chance to get our free gifts. Now it's your time to give your comments.
Yes, now let's listen to music and you can comment. We will check. Music, please.
Where you at? You got plans? Shut your trap.
Maybe we should sing in ourselves. So we are warmly welcome Minnie to sing a Cantonese song.
Okay, we will check.
Okay, let me check.
Thumbs up.
And oh, I see. One of our fans names Fate commented us. She asked that if we have piston rings model OM501. So could you tell us, Minnie?
Yes. Hello, Faye. Welcome. Thank you for your comment. So you want to see the piston ring ON501, right?
Yeah.
Let me check. 501. Yes, we have. Oh my god. You need to be careful. This one.
This one.
Let me wear the grab. Okay, its diameter is 130 millimeters.
So what's the material of them?
Okay, good question. Let me introduce the material to you. The first compression ring is made of KV1 and about its surface treatment is CKS. And the second compression ring's material is K1 and the surface treatment is CR.
Oh, hold on. I remember you have told us the way to distinguish K1 and KV1.
Yes. So do you still remember the way how to distinguish them?
Yes, you told us we can knock on them and listen to their sounds
Yes.
like this. So this is KV1. Its sound is clear and crisp. And now we move to this. And we can hear the sound is muffled.
Yes, they are different.
Yes.
So it seems that you have know the way how to distinguish them.
Yes, and thanks again for Faye's comments. Since you have commented us, now you have the chance to enter our lucky draw.
Yes. Okay, friends, please pay attention. Our lucky draw will begin after 3 minutes.
Yeah, it is so easy. Just comment us and then you can enter our lucky draw. In other words, if you comment us, you will have a chance to get these free gifts.
Yeah. So please seize the time. And I also want to comment.
I'm sorry. I'm afraid you can't.
Yes. So seize the opportunity to enter the lucky draw.
Now let's listen to music and we will write down your names occurs in the commenting area. About 3 minutes.
Yes, about
Here we
3
go.
minutes. Please seize the time to comment.